Maya was already waiting for me at the cafe when I arrived. She was sitting at a table near the window, drinking orange juice and looking at her phone. "I've been online all morning," she explained, checking other summer festivals to get ideas. "Look at this one from the city." She showed me beautiful pictures of stages, food stalls, and happy people. We discussed our own plans and wrote them down on paper. We wanted to create something special, something that would bring together all the different people in our town, young and old, rich and poor. Tom and Sophie arrived half an hour later. Tom was tall with brown hair and always wore his favorite black jacket. Sophie had long blonde hair and carried a large bag full of pencils, pens, and her sketchbook. "We're ready to help," Sophie said enthusiastically. She sat down and immediately started drawing possible designs for festival posters. "First, we need to plan each activity," Tom said in his usual practical way. "How many stages do we want? What kind of music? Which restaurants will sell food?" These were all important questions. We spent the next hour talking, listening to each other's opinions, and making notes. By lunchtime, we had a complete plan. The festival would happen on the first Saturday in August. We would have 3 stages for music: a market for local artists, food from different countries, games for children, and even a small cinema showing old films under the stars. Now we just had to make it all happen.